What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today we're gonna harvest these watermelon before it's too late. So let's check them out and see what they look like. Let's see what they look like. See that? They look ready to me. Look, this one busted open, and that one too. First crimson sweet watermelon. Can't wait to see what it look like on the inside. See that? I wonder how much this weighs. Can't wait to put them on the scale. Let us know in the comment section if you grew crimson sweet watermelon and what's your favorite variety of watermelon. Next year I want to try to grow some different color watermelon. See how they taste. Oh, both of these was like that. Check it out. Let's see. The last one. How them look like. Now it's time to take our watermelon that didn't make it to the compost pile. Watermelon smoothie. You know what I'll do? Next week or in 2 weeks, we'll come back and see is that fully decomposed. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crimson sweet watermelon. I wonder how the smallest one look inside. Is it even ripe? I don't know. Let's find out. This is why I love our compost pile. Remember those hydrangea cuttings? Look at it now. Look like it's getting ready to bloom. Alright, let's see how much these weigh. And I have to put them to the side so you can actually see. I don't want to cover it up. So this first one is 10 pounds. The second one is, looks like 9 pounds. Third one is also 9 pounds. Fourth one is 10 pounds. And the smallest one, that we don't even know if it's ripe or not, is 6 pounds. Okay. Whoa! Crimson sweet watermelon. Smell delicious. Let's see what it tastes like. Before we see what it tastes like, let's see what the small one look like. So this was the smallest watermelon right here. Let's see what it look like. Is it ripe? I don't know. Kind of look the same.
That one's small.
A little bit. Let's see. This is the small one. This is the big one. What you think? Okay, now it's time for the best part. See what they taste like. This is from the big watermelon. This piece right here. See that? And this one is from the small watermelon. So let's try the big one first. This one right here. Let's see. Oh man, y'all seen how juicy that was?
No way.
Man.
You know, it makes me feel so bad sometimes when I see my black brothers and sisters, and they'll see me eating a piece of watermelon like this here. And when they'll go to frown their faces off me, that's despicable. But it's good. And you know the thing that makes me mad? When I go to their parties, they will take a big pretty watermelon like this and cut all kinds of gadgets. And then cut the inside. You see this good piece of watermelon here? Cut all the guts out that good watermelon and mix it up and mess it up with something else, man. And sometimes they got a notion of putting liquor in it. And then after they cut them little crevices in it, then put it back inside of that hub. Man, that's a waste of watermelon when all you got to do with it is pick it up like this here. Look here, just pick it up like this here.
Juicy and sweet. Oh man, now I gotta think which one I like better, the crimson sweet or the sugar baby. Let's try the small one. Let's try the small one now. Let's see.
That's the way you eat a watermelon. And I don't care if you was a PhD, if you was a whatever. You can't tell me cutting all that out, putting it back in there.
Kind of tastes the same. It tastes the exact same, actually. I thought it wasn't going to be all the way right, but I was wrong. I was wrong. Look at that. Free seeds. Look at that dripping. Dripping.
I ain't gonna waste no time cutting no watermelon up and mix it up with no fruit cocktail. All I'm saying to you, be yourself, because I went to a party the other night with some white folks. They didn't have it in that thing there. They had slices. Walk around, Peter Green, you want a slice? I said, yeah, give me a slice. And one lady said, I didn't think you blacks eat watermelon like that no more. I said, look, lady, don't try to get out on me, you understand? You just want to eat the good part.
Free watermelon. Free seeds.